Our client's mom recently had a distressing experience at another salon. Thankfully, the Scalp Shop SG came to the rescue. With our expertise in hair care, we performed the remarkable Green Glam Smoothening, which not only restored her hair's health, but also added a touch of elegance. We did our safe color therapy as well to enhance her hair color, ensuring a vibrant and natural-looking result. Our client's mom left the Scalp Shop SG feeling very happy and rejuvenated, with silky smooth hair and a stunning, flawless color that complemented her overall appearance. Trust us to take care of your hair, so you can confidently flaunt your beautiful locks, healthy and strong hair growth cycle. Book your appointment today for a personalized session. Clean Cure Grow sessions have become one of our most popular services. Clients love the personalized approach and the natural, sustainable solution to hair thinning and slow growth. We are proud to have helped so many people achieve their hair goals. Visit our website zulucares.com